Hello and welcome to this Moto G5 unboxing video. This is the Amazon exclusive model. It's 3 GB of RAM with a dual SIM. I bought this in 2018. I'm actually editing this in 2023 and I've actually stopped using it because it's a bit of an issue taking the battery out. It's first impressions are very good. It's quite a nice little phone. You get the usual. You get a USB charger, micro USB, printed manuals. It's a 1.4 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon, 30 megapixels rear camera, autofocus, dual LED flash, auto HDR, a 5-inch screen with 1080p. Screen. It's got a free 2800 Lion removable battery, plus you can put a micro SD card in there. So like I said, it's become a bit difficult to actually turn the thing on. The power button, you got to press really hard. This is the battery here. You can actually replace the battery, but it's quite a difficult process of removing the battery and replacing it, so I'll probably get something else